In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check history in Brave browser. First, open the Brave browser on your computer and make sure you are on the main browser window. Once Brave is open, there are a couple of simple ways to access your browsing history, and both are quick and easy. The fastest method is to use a keyboard shortcut. If you are using a Windows computer, press Ctrl and H at the same time. If you are using a Mac, press Command and Y together. This shortcut will immediately take you to the history section, which is helpful if you want the quickest possible way to view the websites you recently visited. If you prefer using the browser menu instead of keyboard shortcuts, you can do that as well. Look to the top right corner of the Brave browser window and click the menu icon, which appears as 3 horizontal lines. This opens a drop-down menu with several browser options. From there, click on History. This will take you to the full history page, where you can see your total browsing history in Brave. On this page, your visited websites are usually organized by date, which makes it easier to find pages you opened earlier today, yesterday, or even further back. This can be useful if you want to revisit a website you forgot to bookmark, check something you viewed earlier, or simply keep track of your recent activity in the browser. If you browse often, the history page can save you time by helping you quickly return to pages you've already visited instead of searching for them again. If the history page looks empty, keep in mind that there may not be any saved browsing activity available, especially if history has been cleared before. Or if you were browsing in a private window, private browsing sessions are typically not stored in your regular history, so those pages won't appear here. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.